Banele finally listened to his mom and Bongeni and agreed to go back to Death. Look, I know that was one of the people wanting him to leave, but it's a little bit sad now that he's really leaving. And I want to talk about that and more here on this video. But first, I would like to request you guys to like the video. And if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this. Okay, I understand that you all wanted Banele to leave, but was this really necessary? Okay, I also know that some of you might not see this picture because it's not clear enough, but on this picture, guys, Banele is tied on a chair. Imagine that. I think the Makwazas thought that he might run away, so they tied him on a chair and locked him in a container, which was so sad. But then he didn't resist anything. He agreed to leave and go back to wherever he came from. And by the look of things, they are now going to perform a ceremony that will make him go forever. And as much as we don't know if that will really happen or not, but their aim is to send him straight to death. Now, my highlight of this whole plot was when Banele visited Zama to tell her that he is leaving and that he is leaving for good. Man. I feel two-faced with this one, and that is entirely because on my previous videos, I was saying that I don't like the Mjolo. But after watching this scene, I felt so bad. So, for those who don't know, on this scene, Banele was telling Zama that he's being forced to leave and that he also agreed. So before this, Banele had promised Zama that he's going nowhere and that he'll never leave her. Then a few hours later, he comes back to tell her that sekuphelile. So as you can see on the screen, ladies and gentlemen, Zama is not okay, which means when Banele comes back, he's going to have to face Ntanzi and explain why is her daughter heartbroken. Then again, he's going to have to go to Mbali and beg for a love bag. This is going to be a very long season, I swear. So guys, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. And thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.